To walk in here, it's almost like finding yourself engulfed in one of those World Cup films. South Africa giving the ball away dangerously, very dangerously. In towards Raul Jimenez.
Here we go.
Brian Gutierrez. It's a useful ball. It's Brian Gutierrez who's in. And Sithole made a challenge. And the referee has to interpret that first. Alvarado. And Raul Jimenez! A crowd! Polis.
The team has got 9 men. Wow.
Red card. South Africa have actually got players in numbers forward here. Montes makes the challenge.
The team has got 9 men. Wow.
Red card.